guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers on the video channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about why you need to install wheel spacers with Hub-centric. Let's go. The main function of using wheel spacers is to provide the additional clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. Hub-centric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. Hub-centric wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced, but most aftermarket wheels are actually lug-centric, which means the center hold will be made larger to fit over a variety of different vehicles. Lugs can be bent under force and provoke vibration if you keep the wheels unbalanced for a long time. For this reason, we recommend the use of hub-centric spacers or hub-centric rings. If you want to get the BONOSS Wheel Spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.